everyone. I'm very happy to meet you. My name is Teacher Moit. I'm a teacher at Sampami Academic School. How are you today, everyone? Yeah, I'm fine too. Thank you. Okay, everyone. Today we study the new letter. Before we study the new letter, do action all together. Everyone, please stand up. Okay, do action. Okay, everyone. Raise your hand. Put your hand down. Raise your right hand. Put your right hand down. Raise your left hand. Put your left hand down. Clap your hand 1. Clap your hand 2. 1, 2. Clap your hand 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, thank you, very good. Okay, everyone, now please we are going sing a song. Letter A to letter. Okay, now please sing a song with teacher all together. 1, 2, 3. I saw A for apple, B for bear, C for cat. Stand up ក្រោកឈរស្នឹងកេងឯពាក្យថាស្នេហ៍កូនហៅថាសត្វពួងពេលព្រឹកកូន Good morning ពេលទៅវិញកូន Say goodbye ពេលគេងកូន Say good night ឡាឡាឡាពេលគេងកូន Say good night ឯពាក្យសុខសប្បាយកូនហៅ Are you ឯពាក្យសុខសប្បាយកូនហៅ Are you Okay yes thank you very good everyone Okay today we learn the new letter what who know cô nào đến who know okay the no okay yesterday we learn letter C but today we learn letter the no okay yes I tell you now okay ten 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 what the letter everyone okay I open 1 2 3 okay this is what the letter name yeah what the letter name this is letter D okay today we learn letter D okay letter D capital letter D and small letter D do you how to write letter D okay now please write letter D but letter D have 2 steps say up to read up to me all together everyone okay 1 2 3 listen to teacher 1 2 3 letter D had 2 steps step 1 up down step 2 up right around okay very good okay student boy can you read okay the capital letter D had 2 steps step 1 up down step 2 yeah well done goodbye okay write all together on the board say all together yeah capital letter D had 2 steps step 1 up down step 2 up right around yeah very good okay step 1 step 2 okay can you write letter small letter D okay small letter D has 2 steps too small letter D had 2 steps step 1 middle left around down step 2 up down straight yeah very good okay write all together on the board 1 2 3 left small letter D had 2 steps step 1 middle left around down step 2 up down straight okay very good okay sorry 1 2 okay Stuttgart can how to write letter capital letter D can you say teacher right okay 1 2 3 again capital letter D had 2 steps step 1 yeah good step 2 yeah very good girl okay good boy small letter D how to write 1 2 3 step 1 Step 2. Okay, very good. Well done, everyone. Okay, now we write letter D already. Yes, no with sound. Do you know sound letter D? យល់អត់ទាំងស្គាល់ពី sound letter D ហើយនៅកូននៅឯណាអូខេឥឡូវយើងមកស្គាល់ពី sound letter D. Okay, letter D. Say all together with teacher. Letter D. D sound the D. Yeah, very good again. D sound the Yeah, well done. D sound the Okay. Teacher has three picture and the word. Teacher អញ្ចឹង teacher មានរូបភាព3ហើយនឹងពាក្យជាមួយនឹងរូបភាពមានចំនួន3តើរូបភាពនេះជាអីណឥឡូវចាប់តាមទាំងអស់គ្នាអូខេ Letter D. D sound the Okay, what's D? Okay, count 1 2 3 teacher open. Okay. Sorry. This is what this is? What a picture. Girl like to play. Girl. Good girl. ក្មេងៗស្រីៗគឺចូលចិត្តលេងណា boy អត់ចូលចិត្តទេណា Okay. 1 2 3 surprise. Wow. Okay កូនក្រមុំជួណោះ Okay, good. Okay. What does it mean in English? Doll. Deep sound. The doll. Doll កូនក្រមុំជួ Okay, the picture. The second picture. What's the picture? The second picture. What this is? Okay. This is an animal live in the house and have fallen. Okay. Do you want to see? 1 2 3. Okay. Wow. Yes, I like it. And you? Okay, last 2. Okay. This is a dog. D sound the dog. Okay, yeah, thank you. Very good, student. Okay, the last one, the third picture. What this is the third picture? This is the same table. វាដូចជាតុដែរណាស្តៀងគ្នាកូនណា Okay. តោះ Do you want to see? 1 2 3. Okay. This is the desk. This is a desk. Yeah, D sound the desk. Okay, everyone, now please read up to me all together. D sound the doll, the dog, the desk. Okay, again. D sound. Yes. Dog. Yes. Yeah, that's okay. Very good. យើងនេះនៅក្នុងกระดาษរបស់យើងនេះគឺមាន letter ជាច្រើនចឹងចង់ដឹងអត់តើមាន letter អីខ្លះណោះអូខេឥឡូវយើងមើលទាំងអស់គ្នាតែOkay, this is a lot of letter. Okay, អញ្ចឹងគេដាក់ខាងលើនេះគេដាក់ថាម៉េចណោះ This is a letter. Okay, ចាំបាត់មួយសិនOkay, this is a lot of letter. Cycle the capital and small letter D. Okay, teacher ចង់ឲ្យកូនមក cycle មកគូរង្វង់ទៅលើ capital letter D and small letter D. Okay. Yes, no. This is letter D? No. This is letter D? Yeah, very good. Good girl. Okay. This is letter D. Capital or small letter D? Capital letter D. Yes, good. Okay, this is letter D? No. This one? No. This one? Yes, small letter D. Yeah, thank you. Very good. Okay, line 1 have 2 letter. Line 2. Line 2 មានម៉ានណោះគាត់ណោះ Okay, តោះ This is letter D? No. This is letter D? Yeah, very good. This is small letter D. Okay. This is letter D. No, this one. No, this one. Okay. No, this one. Yeah, good. Capital letter D. Okay. The line 3. Okay, tập. Chấm chua tí bấy. Find the letter D. This is letter D. Yes, good. Capital letter D. This is letter D? No. This one? No. This one? Yeah? No. This one? Yeah, small letter D. Yeah, very good. This one, letter D? No, letter A. Okay, very good. Okay, you are clever, everyone. Now, review letter D. Capital and small letter D all together. Okay, letter D have 2 steps. Okay, everyone. Right on the ear. Chúng ta sẽ sayលើខ្យល់បានណាកូនណា Okay, តាប់ 1 2 3. Capital letter D have 2 steps. Step 1 up down. Step 2 up right around. Yes, good. Small letter D have 2 steps too. Small letter D have 2 steps. Step 1 middle left around. Step 2 up down straight. Okay, very good. Okay. D sound. The. Yeah, the. Dog. Yes, the. Dog. Yes, the. That's, yeah, very good. Okay. Now I want to review letter A to letter D. Okay. អញ្ចឹងយើងបានរៀនហើយមែនទេតាំងពី letter A, B, C and now letter D. Okay, I want to review letter A to letter B. Review the sound. 1, 2, 3. A sound. B sound. Yeah, good. C sound. Yeah, very good. D sound. Yeah, well done, everyone.